guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this beautiful perfume tray, or you could say like jewelry organizer. And I really love to come up with new ideas for you guys because I love you all so much. And I hope you guys have been in love with my channel as well, and because I've been having so much fun filming, editing and improving on my skills. And I hope if you are new to my channel that you stick around and that you subscribe down below and become part of the family. And that's all I have to say right now, so let's get into the video. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone, for all your love and watching my videos. It means the world to me, seriously. When I first started YouTube, or I can't pronounce that. So when I first started YouTube, I wasn't sure if people were gonna watch my videos, but I still continued my journey because I believe in myself, and I hope that one day this dream will come true, and hopefully all of you will make this dream come true for me. Just keep watching my videos, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe on the link down below, and add me on Facebook and Instagram. And yeah, keep smiling because it's for free. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!